Solar companies are growing very fast in 2026, but here's something most people still don't understand. How do solar companies actually make money? If you're thinking about starting a solar business, working in the solar industry, or just curious about how a solar company operates, this is something you need to know. Do they earn from installing solar panels, selling solar systems, or generating electricity? And the most interesting part is, some solar companies make money even before the system is installed. In this video, I'll break down the complete solar business model so you understand exactly how solar companies generate revenue in today's solar energy industry. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Green World Renewable Energy YouTube channel. On this channel, we share practical knowledge about solar energy, solar design, solar permitting, and solar business opportunities. If you're planning to start a solar company, enter the solar installation business, or understand how the solar energy business works, this video will give you a clear and practical explanation. Revenue Stream 1: Solar System Sales. The most common way a solar company makes money is by selling solar systems. This includes solar panels, inverters, mounting structures, installation services. In the residential solar business, companies typically sell complete solar solutions to homeowners. For example, if a company installs a 6 kilowatt solar system for $15,000, the actual cost of equipment and labor might be around $10,000 to $12,000. The remaining amount becomes profit. Typical profit margin in the solar industry, 10% to 30%. This is the core business model of many solar installation companies. Revenue Stream 2: Solar Installation Services. Some companies focus only on the solar installation business. They don't sell systems directly, but they work as installation partners or subcontractors. They earn money by installing solar panels, electrical wiring, system setup. These companies get paid a fixed installation cost per project. This model is ideal for businesses with skilled technicians, installation teams, lower marketing costs. But here's something many people don't know about the solar business model. Some solar companies make money without selling or installing solar panels directly. Let's look at how that works. Revenue Stream 3: Solar Financing and Leasing. One of the fastest growing parts of the solar energy business is financing. Many customers cannot afford to pay upfront for a solar system, so solar companies offer solar loans, solar leasing, power purchase agreements, PPA. In a PPA model, the solar company installs the system. The customer pays for the electricity generated. This creates long-term recurring income. Companies earn money every month for 15 to 25 years. This is one of the most profitable models in the solar industry today. Revenue Stream 4: Government Incentives. Another major income source in the solar energy business is government incentives. These include solar tax credits, subsidies, renewable energy incentives. In countries like the US, solar companies and homeowners benefit from programs that reduce installation costs. These incentives increase the overall profitability of solar projects. Revenue Stream 5: Maintenance and Services. After installation, solar systems need maintenance. Solar companies offer cleaning services, system inspection, repairs. This creates recurring income. Many solar companies generate stable revenue through annual maintenance contracts. Revenue Stream 6: Solar Design and Consulting. Another growing opportunity in the solar business is design and consulting. Companies and freelancers offer solar system design, permit plan sets, energy production calculations. This is especially popular in the online solar design business. Many professionals earn by working remotely in the solar industry. So let's summarize the solar company business model. Solar companies make money through selling solar systems, installation services, financing and leasing, government incentives, maintenance services, design and consulting. Most successful solar companies use a combination of these revenue streams. Why solar industry is growing? The solar industry is growing rapidly because electricity costs are increasing. Demand for renewable energy is rising. Government supports solar energy. Technology is improving. This creates huge opportunities in the solar business, solar installation industry, renewable energy sector. Solar is not just about clean energy. It is also one of the fastest growing business opportunities in renewable energy. If you understand the solar business model, you can build a strong career or even start your own solar company. If you want to learn more about solar business, solar design, and solar installation, make sure to subscribe to the Green World Renewable Energy channel. We share practical and easy to understand content every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.